Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Maria Nairobi. If you want to know how to wash your synthetic wig to bring it back to life, keep on watching. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see in the title, this is how I wash my synthetic wigs. And literally, this was my first time ever. I didn't even really realize that people wash their synthetic wigs. But anyway, this is a What Lace line from Sensational, the Latisha unit. I always cut them into a bob. This is the shampoo and detangler line that I'm using. When I say I fell in love with this brand, I did purchase it off of Amazon, and of course I'll have all of the products used in the description box. But yeah, so I'm just using like lukewarm water just to wet it, and I'm going to shampoo it just like it was a human unit. I would say with all with washing all units, be careful. Like, don't be too crazy when you're handling the hair, because you can tangle it more than what it's already tangled. I did try to brush through it before I started washing it, but just watch how you're caring for it when it's in the water. Now I'm going to start with the lace. I just put the shampoo on the lace, and I'm just using my hands just to start trying to get off all the makeup and all of the glue adhesive. And I'm just scrubbing it against each other just to start friction again, to get off all the adhesive. I believe on this unit I use the spray adhesive, and then I'll also use foundation to tint it. So again, you would just clean the lace first. You can start with the actual hair, but for me, I always start with the lace, clean that first, and then I just move on to the actual hair. So what you want to do is just clean the lace to your liking. My goal is always to get as much glue as I can. So I'm just using my nails. I'm scrubbing the lace back and forth until it's relatively clean, because when you are reapplying this unit, you don't want old glue there. It'll just make your install a lot more difficult than when it has to be. So here I'm literally just scrubbing it off. I will say that the shampoo did work pretty well with getting the glue off. Normally I have to use alcohol in conjunction with Dawn soap to get my glue off, but the shampoo did pretty good, as you can see. So now I'm going in for the hair. So again, like I said before, you just want to spray the shampoo on there. I'll put a few drops on there, and you want to be careful with how you handle the hair, even if this was a human hair wig, but especially since it is a synthetic wig, you do want to go in down motions, not like really scrunching the hair up a lot, because it's already prone to tangling. So you just don't want to make the matters worse. So you'll see me here, I'm just taking my hand and going through the hair. I'm not really scrunching it up. And now I am just moving the shampoo all around. It's so funny, as I'm saying I'm not scrunching it up, I kind of am, but you get what I'm saying. I'm being like relatively careful and getting the shampoo all over the unit. And yes, now you want to go in with a detangling brush or like a Denman brush and just brush the shampoo through the hair. I know some people recommend doing it with the conditioner in the hair. I like doing it when the shampoo is in the hair. I mean, I guess it's just your preference. So yeah, I'm just taking my detangling brush and I'm just going through the unit, and I'm just brushing all the kinks out. I would not do this without any product. So if you're not going to do it with the shampoo in, you can do it with the conditioner in there. Just to make sure you're getting all the kinks and like tangles out. I will say, just take your time like getting through it. It will be tangled just like a human hair wig. But I would say take your time getting through all of it. You do not want to hang your hair up to dry when it still has tangles. So just take your time and make sure you're getting through all of the tangles, so forth and so on, and then you can hang it up to dry. Now, once you get done detangling the unit, you want to just run the unit through the water to make sure all of the shampoo is out. I did use quite a bit of shampoo. I probably went a little overboard. I told y'all this is the first time ever I am shampooing a synthetic wig. So I think that if I was to do it again, well, I know that I will not use as much shampoo. I probably just wasted product. So you basically just want to get all the shampoo out of the hair, and that's what you'll see me doing here. And then I will be putting some detangling leave-in conditioner spray that actually came with this shampoo. And then I'm going to hang it up to dry. You do not want to blow dry your synthetic units. Please, please, please just leave them out to dry and don't use this much shampoo. All right, babes, that's actually all I have to say on this video. Hopefully you learned something. You're going, as you've seen in the beginning of the video and you'll see at the end, I love, love, love the way that this unit came out. I am a huge fan of Latisha, the Latisha unit, and I'm a even bigger fan of the What Lace line by Sensational. Definitely check it out. Synthetic wigs are just so affordable and so nice. Like, I can go on and on and on. But yes, make sure you subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm about to put some music on so you can finish watching this video. And that's all, babes. Bye.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you.
All right, I'm back, y'all. So I didn't know where to hang this wig at. I normally hang my wigs in the backyard, but I didn't want to do that. So you need to have it air dry. You do not want to blow dry your synthetic wigs. Please don't blow dry them. Just let them air dry. And I started seeing that the curls were already coming back. I was really nervous. I'm not going to lie. When I was brushing it out, I'm like, oh my gosh, is these curls going to come back? One thing about the Latisha wig, it has a lot of body. That's what I really, really love about it. So I can see that they were bouncing back. And I only seen one small section that was a little fuzzy, but overall it smelled so good. Like, literally it smelled like pineapples, and the curls were starting to come. The curls were definitely coming back, and now you can see it, y'all. The lace laid really nice, the baby hairs, and these curls was curling. Okay, I absolutely love the way it came out. I will definitely be washing my synthetic wigs, y'all. I am a baddie on a budget, and if you're telling me all I have to use is this leave-in conditioner and shampoo and let it air dry, I'm going to do it again and again and again. Y'all, look at these curls. Y'all know it look good. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Bye.